Alright, there are many friends during my childhood. One of them was Amir Abdullah. Recently, he went to London. He was my childhood friend. Actually, he is now as well. There are many positive points which is still hidden in him. And the first thing that he was my friend because he was near us and he was our neighbor. And besides he was neighbor, he is related to our relatives and our family as well. He is a very intelligent and workaholic boy. Whenever I told him that I'm tired, and he was always pushing me to do some tough work and some strategies work, and because of his forcing. And the other thing is that he is a very good player in cricket. Now I am a bowler just because of his force.